Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how to use the search operators in Google search so that you can search in a better way. So the first search operator you can use is OR. For example, if you want to search two terms at a time, you can place OR in between them and you can search these items at a time. For example, I search Android or iPhone, it will show me the websites for both iPhone and Android and related contents for both Android and iPhone. As you can see in the video, the Google is showing me the content for both Android and iPhone simultaneously. Similarly, if you want to search for two search terms and you want to include both search terms in the search, for example, I want to search for the cheap and the best laptops, I will use AND operator between them so that Google can show me both cheap and best available laptops in their search. As you can see in the video, I will search for both cheap and best laptops in video and Google will show me result according to this search operator, like it will include both cheap and best laptops. Google will show me the cheap and the best laptops in their search result, as you can see in the video. The next search operators you can use in your Google search is star. For example, if you have unknown search terms and you don't know about that search terms and you want to know about that search term, you can place a star between that search terms so that Google can show you proper result without knowing the exact name of or search terms related to that search. For example, if you do not know the spellings of that, you can place star. The next search operator you can use is if you want to remove one thing from your search terms, like I am searching for the best laptops and I want to exclude Dell laptops, then Google will not show me Dell laptops in their search result. As you can see in the video, Google is showing me all brands laptops except Dell, as I have excluded Dell laptops from search items. Kindly like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.